Hello, Jason with ClockShark here. I want to give you a look at how easy it is to collect timesheets from your staff who are in the field, as well as a glimpse of how accurate our timesheets are with ClockShark. So as you can see, I have up on the screen the web app and the mobile app. On the web app side, I am over on the Who's Working Now page. This is where you'll see any employees who are actively on the clock. And as you can see, right now it's showing that no mobile GPS locations are found because nobody is clocked in. So over on the mobile app, let's go ahead and clock in. We'll press the clock in button. We will choose a job and we will choose a task. Then we're on the clock, and pretty instantly, we are on the clock over on the Who's Working Now page. So over here, we have some very valuable information that you can see if you're in the office and you want to get a glimpse of what your employees are doing out of the job sites. You can see that the employee's name is here, the time they clocked in, the job they clocked into, and the tasks they are doing. Additionally, we have this map here. So I can go ahead and I'll zoom out a little bit, but you can go ahead and see that there is a GPS pin. Let's go ahead and click that pin. And now you can see that same information, but just from a GPS standpoint. And we'll go ahead and we'll actually zoom in on this. So right now we got a high accuracy ping for our employee Jason here. That means that Jason is anywhere within this 8-meter circle. And one thing that is important to note here is that the GPS pin always lands in the center of the circle. So the employee could be anywhere within this circle here. But yeah, so this is a quick way where you can see how accurate ClockShark's timesheets are. You can see their location as well as the time that they're on the clock. And then let's go ahead on the mobile app and we'll go ahead and clock out. So you're going to press that and it's going to pop up a little confirmation button. You're just going to confirm that you want to clock out. Instantly clocked out on the mobile app and clocked out on the web app. So let's go ahead on over to the timesheets page so you can see how easy it is for you to collect those timesheets from your employees. Go up here to the time tab and we're going to click view underneath timesheets. Then we will scroll down here and we'll click on this one for Monday the 11th for Jason. And as you can see, we have a timesheet that is very easy for you to collect. You don't have to text your employees asking for their time cards or email them or give them a call. It's just instantly there for you already. No actual interaction has to be done. And you can see the clock in, the clock out. You can also see the GPS radius for the clock out as well. And then you can, very easily take this information, and if you need to do things like run payroll or things like that, you can do that with a click of a few buttons.